All right, welcome back, folks. We're going to get this thing unloaded, and then we're going to talk about it. This is a CJ360T. It is the most base model Honda you could get in this kind of class back in the late 70s. I think it's a 79. But the thing's in pretty darn good shape, actually. All it really needs is a really good bath, tune up to get it running again. Could use a new seat cover. That's just vinyl. That's easy enough. Although you'd hate to lose that cool Honda logo. Unfortunately, the muffler's got a little bit of rot, which is kind of like a weird spot. I don't know how that happened. But other than that, it's really just a little bit dirty and rusty and nothing that won't clean up pretty easily. So, pretty cool bike. Let's get it out and we'll talk about it. All right, let's get a little walk around of this thing. These are incredibly old tires, which are obviously going to get replaced. But drum front brakes. You've got actually a pretty good windshield. Unfortunately, it's cracked here. Probably garbage at this point, but you could keep the mounts and get new Lexan for it maybe, or make it if you had to. It's honestly in pretty good shape. There's really no like terrible pitting or cracking of any of the plastics or anything. It's actually mostly metal, obviously. Front fender is actually plastic. That's in good shape. Steel wool would take all this off nice. The exhaust isn't too bad. The headers and stuff. All the rubber on it is, yeah, I mean, hardened, but not crumbling. So that's good. Every single valve we found on this thing to be very sticky. Yeah, that does not sound great. All the rubber for that kind of stuff is pretty locked up solid. The gas cap is very, very stuck. It like does not move past that. So we gotta get a pair of pliers on that gingerly. Try to open that up. So I can't see what the gas looks like. It's probably not great, to be honest. Just opening that cover, it smells like 1970. But this thing has been running in the 2000s, I believe, at some point. So really shouldn't be too awful bad. All right, let's see if we can't get this open. Whoa, that must be, that's why I was stuck. It wasn't rusty, it was the pressure. The vent must be
Was that pressure out, or was that pressure?
Ooh, fuck. The heck? How is that rusty? Wow. That smells like death in there, dude. That is not great. Son of a bitch.
No.
Wow. I have not smelled gas that rancid.
Well, that's 1980 something gas.
I thought it was written in the 2000s.
I don't think so.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that 83 inspection sticker is the last time it was actually used then, huh? That is brutal. I'm showing you. Dang, dude. Yeah, she might need a new gas tank or a very, very thorough cleaning. I guess I, for some reason, thought he was saying it was written in the 2Ks. What is with this thing? Well, what's with the hangers on here?
So it doesn't fall out.
Oh. Fair enough.
Wow. That's dark.
That is so... I've never seen gas like that in my life. Oh. Just gonna put that right back there. Okay, so the bike's totaled. Throw it away and buy a new one. She's gonna need a carb rebuild.
Oh yeah.
Big time. Big time. That's alright, that's fixable. Some rocks, some gravel and some rust cleaner in the tank, and you can get that clean enough anyway for what this is. Put an inline fuel filter on it, just so that if you inevitably collect debris, you do something like that. You might be able to find a tank for it too, who knows?
Yeah.
Hard to say. Other than that, though, she's in pretty good shape for the shape she's in, you know? Oil level's good. We checked that earlier. That's at least, you know, the classic ran when parked. That's what this is. I turned the petcock, and she was a little crunchy, but we got her to turn.
Okay.
Now she feels good.
Yeah.
Well,
at least it was on off, too.
Yeah. Yeah, hopefully that fuel didn't get in the carb.
There we go. Cool.
Oh, there's a
It does
battery.
have a battery. Where's the start? It doesn't.
Oh. There's no starter yet. There's a battery. That's actually kind of unusual. Little baby battery.
Little toolkit.
Yep.
1990 was this New Jersey vehicle
I
registration.
don't want to show it on camera because it's
Yeah.
got names. Wow, 1990.
Service manual record.
Cool.
Owner's manual. That's pretty cool.
That is cool.
1976.
76, baby. That's cool.
Little piece of.
Absolutely, a little piece of history, dude.
Yeah.
That's the coolest part. I mean, aside from anything else, little 9,000 RPM 2-cylinder ripper. Like, this is like a cool bike.
Mm-hmm.
It's not something you see every. They don't make them like they used to,
No,
brother.
they definitely don't make these.
They definitely don't make these.